say Yahoo! Holy cow. I want to say Yahoo. Look at that thing. That thing is fat. Gosh, that thing is so fat. I need to have that net out. That rod's not even a cranking rod. It's like a worm rod. I don't have any cranking rods with me. Whew. That was intense. Whew. Oh my gosh. Wish I would have caught all that. Look at that thing. Whew. That thing is fat. It's got some shoulders on it. Oh my goodness. Texas rig. Just like that. Non-keeper. Goes back. GoPro. We're still eating. Good. Still eating. Little crankbait. Might be a keeper. Let's measure. Let's measure. There you go. Barely keeps. Barely keeps. Oh, bro. Here we go. Giant. I don't know. It's like a 4, maybe 5. Alright, key is hitting these rocks. Oh my gosh. What is this thing? It's like a 4, another 5. Holy moly. Whew. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. Oh my gosh, he's barely hooked. Look at that. Whew. 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 It's a good 4, 4.5. Golly, they're jumping everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh, check it out. All right. Oh. What? 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 Oh man. All right. So I'm on this 45-degree bank, bunch of rock. Anyways, this little crankbait, again, dives about 10 feet. I caught one off that point, little guy. I was hitting rocks, came off the rocks, bam. So let's do that again. We got this whole half-mile stretch of 45-degree bank, so let's recreate that and catch another one. Oh yeah, big he is. Oh man. Okay. Okay. Sorry I keep going to the back of the boat. But that's where these fish want to go. To the back. Alright. Jeez, there we go again. They're just stacked up on these rocks right here. Oh man. Look at that. He's all red inside the mouth. I know what they're eating. They're eating little crawdads. Pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds. Little keeper, largemouth. There you go. Let's do it again. Woo. Oh. Alright, let me get this net a little closer. Check this out. That's pretty freaking sweet. Alright, let's do it again. Oh, another one. Another one. Another one. Oh man. This one feels good. Stay down. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look how long this net is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. They are stacked up right here. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. That's like 5, 6 fish. Oh my gosh. Ah. Barely up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the spots on this guy. Man. Look at that. He's got like crap growing on him. Look at that. Nice. Let's keep these bigger ones in here. Huh? Let's do that. Oh man. That's what I'm talking about. You saw it. They're in here. They're stacked in here. I'm gonna take my ring off. I'm gonna lose my ring. Okay. Hey. See if we can get another one. Oh, I don't know. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Woo. Let's do it again. Nice. Keep this baby a little closer. Oh, yeah. Alright. Let's do it again. Funny because talking to Tim this morning, I didn't do the tournament, FYI. Should have. God, oh, another one. Oh man, giant. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. Come on, stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Okay. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get in the net. Get in the net. Oh my gosh. Get in the net. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. I got him. I got him. I got him. He's not a giant, but he's a good one. Holy cow. Holy freaking cow. Oh my goodness gracious. Seriously? Freaking seriously. This is wild. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go again. Jeez. Jeez. Check that crap out. Oh, man. That's wild. They're just stacked up on this point. Stacked up. Jeez. It's like every cast. Oh, man. Whew. All right, let's do that again. Another one. Oh my gosh. They're just stacked up. This one feels so much better. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he came off. He came off. I think we're hooked up pretty good. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Oh, that's a smallie. Oh, hell. How about that? Holy cow, no wonder I couldn't catch him. He's a freaking smallmouth. They're nuts. That's a 16-inch smallmouth. Alright guys, my GoPro died and we're just trying to analyze what happened here. So this is the bank we were fishing. As you can see, there's a bunch of activity all over the side of this. We're gonna go back up there and try to catch a couple more. Hopefully, I caught like 5-6 more after the GoPro died. A bunch of 2-pounders, cookie cutters. There was one 2.5, maybe 3. It was a good one, but I threw it back. Just, I don't know. It's crazy. Trying to see what's on the side of this. Maybe I can see it right here on the side imaging. Let's see. Big rocks, chunky. I guess it's about 10 feet right here. I mean, that's what my crankbait dives to, about 10 feet. So this is the point of it, getting to the point. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple fish right there. You can see them. Chirp, sonar. All right, kill it. Let's get to it. So I got one. I got one. Oh man, I got one. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Yes. 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 That's the one that keeps biting it. Finally got it. Finally got it. Finally got you. Finally got you. Finally got you. Holy cow. Holy cow. Here we go. Here we go. Alright guys. So here's that fish. Just caught it. I switched it up. That worm rod to my actual real crankbait rod. And here she goes. Look at that. Holy cow. Let's put her in timeout. Alright, got another one. Got another one. Oh. Look at that. There's just stacked in here. That was number 2, the one we saw. We'll go back on the replay. Here we go. Little guy. Oh. Whoa. 2 and a halfer. 2 and a halfer. There's that one. Get the spots everywhere. Oh, come on. Alright. Here we go. 2 and a half. 2 and a half fish. There you go. Throw these back. 1, 2. Here's that 3. I don't know. No. This is a 4. I don't know. 5. I don't know. I'll hold this other one. Come on. There we go. Oh, yeah, this one's big. Oh, yeah. This one's big. There we go. There we go. Giant. There you go. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that fish. Look at that one. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Alright, let's let these go. Let's let these go. Woo! It's a big splash. Look at that. Crazy. Crazy day. Crazy day. I mean, that is absolutely wild. Whew. Alright. They're gone. They're gone. That's nuts. Absolutely nuts. Can you believe that?